Okay, traders around the world, the question here is, are you ready to take your trading game to the next level, guys? This is what I'm going to give you this week. I'm going to give you USD JPY. I'm going to tell you why the market is bullish. It's very, very important to know that. Another amazing pair that I'm going to give you guys, it is uh gold. I'm gonna tell you exactly why is gold going bullish. If you are making money on gold, congratulations, but today I'm gonna break it down for you. Another amazing pair that I'm gonna give you is Euro USD. I'm gonna tell you here why the market is selling, but why it's doing a pullback as a buy position. It's very important for you to know every single thing that I'm gonna tell you. And another amazing pair is JPY. I'm telling you, today you will be learning and understanding the basic advanced trend line types, Fibonacci and trend line. Guys, this is going to be explosive. But welcome guys. I want to wish you everyone a very healthy coming week of trading. So the very first pair that I'm gonna give you today, guys, is going to be boom, Euro USD. Pay close attention, guys. This is the way I'm gonna teach you. I don't want to give you real data yet. I want you to always spot your entry right looking into the dashboard. Look at here. Just by looking at the 4 hours and daily, it tells you exactly what's going on. The larger time frame is telling me, hey Irving, I'm in a sell position, but the smaller time frame is telling me otherwise. The 4 hours is telling me that I am on a buy position. Now let me show you the real stuff, because it's very important for each and every one of you to know exactly what's going on. The drawing is already happened. Look at here, guys. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard will not lie. You know what? Let me do it in a different presentation, guys. If I'm going too fast, please let me know. It's very important for me to know that you are fully understanding what I'm saying here. If I'm going too fast, please let me know. But look at here. The daily time frame is showing us that we are in a sell position. Look at here. Here's the daily time frame. Look at the TWE sniper entry. Boom, 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 boom. Look at the trend. Boom, it's hitting, coming down. That's what the daily time frame is doing. Look at the 4 hours. The 4 hours, the only thing that is showing us going against that trend. Now, however, let me show you now. Let me make a circle of our multiple time frame. Look at our multiple time frame saying that we are in a sell. Overall, Euro USD is selling. But look in reality, guys. What is this one doing? Look at here. We're getting a pullback as a buy position. So how far is this pullback gonna go? In my opinion, guys, this is what I'm expecting to see. The market is gonna come back and retest this previous highs here, which is your 23.6 Fibonacci level. From there, market will come back down and make another pullback again, retesting your 23.6 one more time. Why? Because there is previous multiple time frame in here, and then from there, boom, market will be going only in one direction, only, and that it is your sell position. Hopefully, guys, Euro USD is full. You understand this pair, guys. If I'm going too fast, please let me know. I love to integrate the Fibonacci retracement level with the trend, because the trend is your friend, guys. The trend, look, just by looking the TW sniper entry, you will know what the trend is real doing. Also, analyzing Fibonacci based on trend and trend line strategy is the best thing ever. And I'm teaching you real stuff, guys, real world examples. I'm showing you exactly what the market is doing. All right, another pair that I'm gonna give you today, guys, is going to be GBP JPY. Look at the dashboard, guys. Just by looking at the dashboard, you already know what is going on with the market. So let me go ahead and make a box. Look at here. What is the 4 hours and daily time frame doing? Look at this one. There's no way that you're gonna get confused. Look at that. It's already letting us know. I'm not showing you the real data yet, because I want you to see the reality. Look at that. Just by looking at the 4 hours and daily time frame, it's telling you, hey Irvin, we are already making money. We're going with the real trend, real example. The power of Fibonacci retracement combined with the trend line, guys, it's a freaking, it's just phenomenal, guys. It's just phenomenal. I'm giving you a very advanced trading strategy as well, guys, like swing trading with trend line, maximize your profit, trade line pattern, flags, and so forth. So I'm gonna give you everything. All right, so now that we know what's going on here, guys, this is what we're gonna do next. Let me delete that box And now that we know that we are selling, we're gonna go to reality, real candle, real stuff. Look at here, guys. There's no way that you're gonna get confused. But look at here. This is something that you need to pay attention. Look at here. What do we have here? We got a shoulder. We got, what do we got here? Head. We got what do we got here? We got another shoulder in there. So, however, what we're looking for here is we're looking for the multiple time frame to go with the TWE sniper entry. Look at here. Here's the multiple time frame. Here's the TWE sniper entry. Look at the stair. Boom, boom, boom. And what is the original trend doing, guys? Boom! It's going only in one direction, only, and that it is selling. So, however, this week, all we know that we are selling here, right? That's all we're seeing, right? So the real trend here is selling, period. So, however, how far is this sell gonna go? In my opinion, guys, we're still gonna be retesting our previous multiple time frame. There's another multiple time frame in here. Don't forget, the dashboard is telling us that we are selling. So we're gonna come back and retest our 38.2 Fibonacci level. It's gonna come back to this level here. Then from here, market will retrace, make a small pullback, retesting your 23 Fibonacci, and from there, boom, 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 and boom, the market will go only in one direction, only, and that it is a sell position. Overall, guys, market here is selling. If you are looking into doing something else, good luck. But that's what I'm seeing here on the market, so I want you to pay attention. The market is selling, is all I'm seeing. I'm not seeing anything else for you to take any other trade. All right, guys, if I'm going too fast, guys, or you guys wanted to, you know, if you want me to teach you how to trade, guys, please let me know in the comment below. I will be leaving the link, and I will be doing a one-on-one if you want. But this is what I hope you guys make money this coming week, guys. Another pair that I'm gonna give you guys is gold. I told you last week that gold was in a buy position, and boom, it was. Look at the dashboard. I don't want to show you anything else than that, just the dashboard. Look at the dashboard. What is our 4 hours and daily time frame doing? That is the question of the year. Look at that. It's telling us that we are doing what? It's telling us that we are in a what? We are in a buy position. That's what I'm seeing here. Look at that. All right. So we are clearly on that buy position. However, now we're gonna move to reality, real time, real data, because that's all I care. Look at here. I told you guys last week, multiple time frame is here. TW sniper entry is here. Our Y multiple time frame is here. Look at the stair. Boom, 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 boom. And what is the trend doing here, guys? Look, what is the trend? Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. Everything is going in the same direction as a buy position. Look at here. Here's our green multiple time frame. So, however, the market is going to make a small retracement, retesting this previous multiple time frame here one more time. And from there, boom, it's going to take off and retest your previous 68 to 78 Fibonacci level. From there, we're going to be getting a small pullback. Okay, that's what I'm seeing here on the market, and hopefully that makes sense. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment below, guys. Please let me know if I'm going too fast, but please do not trade any money you cannot afford to lose, guys. This business is very risky, very risky. So you make sure you learn the basic trade with rules, guys. Trading with rules is very important, because you are not gonna be blowing your account, and it's gonna help you to become a profitable trader, guys. Please, guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest trading tips and strategy. Once again, guys, I want to thank everybody for coming here, guys, and let me know if you want me to make another video or one pair that I'm missing here. But once again, guys, God bless you. God bless the world. God bless Ukraine, and God bless our beautiful nation, the United States of America. I will see you guys back on the other side of the aisle. Hasta la vista, baby. Boom! Let's trade with Team With ERVING. Boom! Boom!